Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Range Rover 3-litre D300 Westminster Black. This vehicle is finished in the unique SVO premium metallic palette green and comes sitting on the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Also fitted with the black exterior pack and privacy glass complementing the green colourway very nicely. This vehicle features the keyless entry for easy access into the car, where you're greeted with a great range of features on the door card, including the memory seat configuration and Meridian sound system. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we have the Light Oyster leather electric front seats, and there's a really warm welcome into this Range Rover with the sliding panoramic roof. This vehicle comes with a very well presented dashboard, and there's features such as the lane keep assist and cruise control on the heated steering wheel. This Range Rover comes with two touchscreens. On the first one you have the heated front seats and climate controls, and you also have the vehicle drive select modes. Onto the second one, we have the 3D surround camera, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and much more. You can personalise the interior of this vehicle through the configurable cabin lighting. And ideal for summer days, this vehicle does come with the centre console cooling compartment. Continuing into the back of the vehicle, there's a really great amount of space here for your rear passengers, and you also have the climate controls and heated rear seats. And some extra features in the back of the vehicle are the electric rear seats and some blind controls. This vehicle comes with ample boot space, ideal for all your shopping and luggage, and on the side there it features the electric rear seats and electronic air suspension, and also the power tailgate allowing for easy access. As part of the Land Rover approved programme, this vehicle comes with the 165 multi-point inspection, 12 months warranty and 12 months breakdown cover. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Range Rover, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.